Hey, my world genius. Welcome back to Quiz Slice, your home for fun and fast quizzes. Today's challenge is, how good is your geography knowledge? We've got 40 geography questions coming up, divided into 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. And you'll have 8 seconds for each one. All right, let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with the easy level. First question, what is this monument? The Golden Gate, Brooklyn Bridge, or the London Bridge? Nice start. It's the London Bridge. Which continent has the most countries? I bet you don't know the answer. It's Africa, with 54 countries. You're genius! Which continent is the most populated? It's Asia. It has more than half of the world's population. What country is this? Yoo-hoo! It's France. Now, it's time to choose your gift. Geography Fun Edition. 2 mystery gift boxes await. What's your pick? Gift 1. Let's share your love. Comment your favorite country below. Gift 2. Let's triple the fun. Hit the like button 3 times. Yep, 3, and comment where you're from. What's more, after you comment, your name might pop up in our Sunday shout-out video. Yoo-hoo! Pizza's watching and waiting you. What is the capital of Spain? Barcelona, Madrid, or Valencia? True, it's Madrid. What is the largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Great job. Can you guess the country by this flag? Italy. Well done. What's the capital of Italy? Rome. What is the capital of Portugal? Yes, it's Lisbon. Great job so far. Now it's time to level up. Welcome to the medium round, where the questions get trickier and the fun gets bigger. In which country is this monument located? In India, it's the Taj Mahal. What do you call the line at 0 degrees latitude? The equator. What country do these emojis represent? Come on, this one's too easy. It's Turkey, known for its delicious food. I really want to travel to Turkey one time. How about you? Can you find the odd flag? Look closely. One of these flags doesn't belong. Which one stands out from the rest? You've got a few seconds. Go! Gotcha. Great eye. The odd one is right here. Nice spotting, flag detective. Which city in Australia is this monument located in? It's the Sydney Opera House. Which city is the most populated? Tokyo, which has almost 10 million people. What's the nickname given to Japan? Yes, it's the land of the rising sun. What country is this? Yes, it's Italy. Guess the flag. United States. What's the capital of the United States? Yes, it's Washington, D.C. Where is Everest located? In the Himalayas. On which continent is the Himalayas located? In Asia, between Nepal and Tibet. What's the capital of Australia? Yes, it's Canberra. What country is this? Well done, it's Brazil. In which country is Monte Carlo located? In Monaco. Whoa, you made it to the final round, the hard level. Only the geography masters make it this far. Are you ready to prove yourself? Let's go. Which of these major cities is the coldest in the world? What's your answer? Yakutsk has 300,000 residents despite its minus 40-degree temperatures. Guess the country. the United Kingdom. Which country is this dish from? Yes, sushi comes from Japan. Ready for a memory challenge? Take a good look at these flags and remember their positions. Now tell me, where is Japan's flag? Yes, India's flag is shining bright in position 3! What is the capital of the United Kingdom? London. What city is this? Dubai. What is the largest forest in the world? Write your answers in the comments. Amazon rainforest. Bravo! What do you call this monument? Machu Picchu, not easy. Where is Tenerife located? In the Canary Islands. On which continent is Mongolia located? In Asia. In which city is this bridge located? The Golden Gate Bridge is in San Francisco. What country is this? Germany. What is the capital of Germany? Good job, it's Berlin. How many people live in Antarctica? There are no permanent residents. What country is this? Portugal, not easy. Nice work, Globetrotter! You've completed the 40-question geography challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like our videos. All right, it's time to say goodbye and see you next time on Quiz Slice. Bye!